Kanske var det meningen att jag skulle fastna här ikväll. Måste ut, måste bort, ta mig härifrån. När du såg mig under ljusen du startade en eld i mig och visade en väg ut. Lämnar överallt.
So here's the workout outfit for today. I'm just doing the simple black and white. It's whatever I had out from up top, and then there are black and white workout pants to go along with it. Alright, so that's just how it is. If it wasn't for like filming and recording or whatever, I simply could care less about wearing it. Yeah, I know y'all heard that. My water bottle like was just filled up last night around 9 with ice and water. So I'm sure that it's nice and cold for me to get ready to start working out. I'm just gonna go in and top it off with just a little more water and ice because I think it's in the middle and I really want to get this accomplished. Like I said, I want to get started working out in 2024 and I'm going to start today off right, being that today is Monday, January 1st. So yes, y'all, I can keep so many pieces of ice down here, meanwhile filling up the top crevice. So I'll try to link that in my description box down below. Meanwhile, my sponsorship that I mentioned a couple of videos ago that helps to keep fresh water in my refrigerator, I love to use it because I easily can fill it up through this hole. The filter that is down here is going to help to filter the water, and then of course it's going to tell you up top with the button, so it's very easy to refill and keep fresh water in your refrigerator. Alright, so to get started on my journey, I am going to work out with Growwithjo today. I'm trying to figure out which one I want to do. Trying to find the right one that I want to work out to. I don't know if I want to do like a reggaeton dance party where it's easy and fun but spicy, or if I want to do Beyonce Rihanna dance party, easy and fun. I could easily do it back to the 80s or 90s dance party. I think I'm gonna go with the walk the weight off indoor fat burning walk 80s music dance party workout.
Today's video is an 80s walking workout. So if you have an idea for my next walking workout, make sure to hit me in the comments. Yay!
Oh my god, y'all. So, let's sit back and reflect. I am officially done with my first indoor fat burning walk 80s music dance party workout using Growwithjo. And let me just say, this was out 2 years ago, but I still get a good workout every single time. So each day I'm gonna pick a different workout and I'm gonna complete them. Whew. let me just say that I just began. I'm gonna go over to the kitchen and make me a post-workout smoothie to enjoy along with some more cold water for the rest of the day. So I have these smoothie starters that I picked up from Dollar Tree. This one has strawberry, mango, banana, and spinach. You can just add your favorite juice, dairy or non-dairy product. I also have this one right here, smoothie starter, which is blueberry, strawberry, mango, and spinach. And I think that I'm going to start with this one for today. So I do have some organic chia seeds that I'm gonna add in. It comes with a little scoop on the inside. These smoothies tell you that if you need a boost or want it, try adding yogurt, protein powder, vanilla extract, nuts or nut butters, rolled oats, flax, or chia seeds. So I'm gonna add just half to this. I also am going to add in my Organics Nature Collagen Peptides, Irish Sea Moss, Vanilla Caramel flavoring, just 1 scoop. I'm also just adding in a little scoop of the creamy almond butter. Okay, so I finally have finished making my smoothie. So like I said, I found these at the Dollar Tree. They're little smoothie starter packs. I'm sure that they have more than that, but of course you can incorporate whatever fruit and veggies you want. I'm just glad that it included the spinach, because I don't think that I would do the measurements just right in order to make this smoothie. So let's give it a taste. Remind you, I added in the Irish Sea Moss, vanilla and caramel, collagen, and then I added in the almond butter and chia seeds. So my first reaction of what I just tasted was mostly like the caramel from the collagen, and then the second sip that I took, I tasted the almond butter. So I think that adding in whatever you want is great. On top of that, it's all blended up. Anytime I make these by myself with ice and fruit, they never turn out right. There's still chunks of ice sitting in there. So I'm gonna sit back and finish this delicious smoothie, as well as getting myself mentally and physically prepared to go back to work tomorrow. But that won't stop me from coming home and getting in a good Growwithjo workout tomorrow. So I'll catch you guys in the next vlog.